Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Several communities in Ekeremor local government area of Bayelsa State have endorsed Governor Diri's second-term bid. Supporters of the Bayelsa State governor gave the endorsement recently when he campaigned in Ekeremor local government area ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election.
As part of his ongoing statewide campaign ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election in Bayelsa State, Governor Diri recently visited several communities in Ekeremor local government area to solicit for votes. The governor was accompanied by a delegation of over 150 PDP stalwarts from Delta State, led by Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, Right Honorable MAMODE, and Senator James Manager, who called on Bayelsans to vote massively for the governor at the forthcoming polls.
With me here are leaders of Delta State zone politics. Right Honorable Solomon Funkekeme is here with us. He's from Ojogo, just across the river. Right Honorable Basil Ganagana is with us here. Former Speaker Delta State House of Assembly. Lots of leaders.
I'm sure this is the first time you are seeing me here campaigning for a AKUGHA candidate. For the first time. That is because we have seen, we have observed with keen interest that Diri, your governor, is doing well. Please cast a vote. We want to see the numbers.
Thank you.
We want to see the numbers. Not just coming for rally. You must also vote.
While addressing his supporters at Ward 8, Governor Diri said, having fulfilled all the campaign promises he made in 2019, he was back to Ekeremor to seek their votes for the second time.
What we have done in Ekeremor is campaigning for us. The road is campaigning for us. This pavilion is campaigning for us. The shore protection is campaigning for us. Everything that we are doing in Ekeremor is campaigning for us. Now, what will you say that now today, when I come meet my mama people, my mama local government, say I want to go for second term, and I go say no?
At Ward 3, where Governor Diri promised to award a contract for the construction of a road from Torre Beni to Egbamangalabiri if re-elected, he was handed a copy of the Holy Bible and lamp to light his path in the governorship race. The governor also received royal blessings from traditional rulers and endorsed by several women and youth groups.
I am here to say that Alabini youth have decided that we are going to use our small but mightiness to deliver you in the forthcoming election.
Diri is a good man. He's a peace-loving man. As you can see, Bayelsa State is now secure. One man, one vote. You will see Diri will win this election.
Elsewhere, a group known as Non-Indigens Without Borders had equally endorsed Governor Diri's re-election bid. Some leaders of the group held that the governor deserved a second term for providing security for their businesses to thrive.
We are ready to vote him because of the peace and prosperity.
Concerning Senator Diri, it's all about peace. So, and I think that is enough, because without peace, we cannot do anything.
For the Indigens Without Borders in Bayelsa State, Governor Diri had made this place a home, away from home for them. Bayelsa, it's progressing because, of course, when there is peace, there is likelihood of progress.
Supporters of Governor Diri'S say they are banking on the fact that he is the most popular candidate in the governorship race, noting that victory for him is a fait accompli.
Bayelsans, behold your governor, Senator Doye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Doye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Doye Diri as Governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Doye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta,